Starting your first camping trip, one thing you don't want to overlook is how to start the fire, especially when everything is damp or windy. Hi guys, welcome to Ethan Horizon. I'm Ethan. Today I'll show you a beginner-friendly trick to make a fire starter using just 3 simple items: Vaseline, cotton balls, and Ziploc bag. First, take your Ziploc bag and turn it inside out. Slip your hand inside, like a glove, and grab a generous spoonful of Vaseline. Then, carefully flip the bag back to its original shape. This keeps your hand clean, because trust me, Vaseline can get really messy. Now, toss in your cotton balls. Seal the bag halfway, and give it a good squeeze and massage. The goal is to coat all the cotton balls evenly with Vaseline. Don't worry if it looks messy inside. That is exactly what you want. Once you're done, zip the bag and store it in a small metal tin box. Why? If the bags get squished in your backpack, the Vaseline might leak, and no one wants that. Now, let's see why this trick is so handy. I have got 2 cotton balls here, one plain and one mixed with Vaseline. Watch closely. Before lighting the Vaseline coated cotton ball, I tear it slightly to expose the fibers. This step is crucial, otherwise it can be much harder to get the fire going. Now, let's light the plain cotton ball as well. Ready to see the difference? Let's start the stopwatch and compare these 2 cotton balls and see which ones perform better. As you can see, the flame is larger with the Vaseline cotton ball. Notice how steady and consistent the flame is from the Vaseline cotton ball. It is not just larger, it burns longer and with more intensity, making it much more effective for starting a fire. Meanwhile, the plain cotton ball flame is already starting to weaken, struggling to maintain its size. "40 seconds. The plain cotton ball burns out in just 40 seconds, barely enough time to light the fire. But the Vaseline coated one keeps on burning. Let's see how long it can hold. While we are waiting, here is why the Vaseline cotton ball is so effective. The Vaseline acts as a fuel, allowing the flame to burn longer and hotter, giving you the extra time to ignite the damp or stubborn kindling. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. That is over 2 minutes of reliable flame. Guys, that is a game changer when you are out in the wild, especially in a bad weather. And if you need even more time, just add another Vaseline coated cotton ball to keep the fire going. If you are new to camping, having a reliable fire starter like this can save you a lot of stress. It is easy to make, lightweight to carry, and perfect for your first camping trip. So give this a try before your next adventure. Got other camping questions or want more beginner tips? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy camping hacks. See you next time.